If you're searching for cam paste, gloves, engine bags, heat tabs, assembly lube, or other miscellaneous essentials to complete your build, look no further. Safety grip gloves have a high-quality, silicone-fused palm and index fingers to ensure your tools don't slip out of your hands. Enginetech's black nitrile gloves are high-strength, medical-grade gloves for single use. These one-time use, latex-free gloves are great for protecting your hands during a messy job. Proper lubrication of metal mating surfaces is essential prior to starting a new or rebuilt engine. Ultra Slick adheres to component surfaces to prevent scuffing and galling during initial startup. This high-quality formulation meets or exceeds OEM's performance specs for engine assembly lubricants. Permatech's Ultra Blue multi-purpose RTV silicone gasket maker is designed specially for high torque and high vibration applications like those common in import engines. This premium RTV gasket maker exceeds manufacturer's performance requirements. It is sensor safe, low odor, and non-corrosive with maximum vibration resistance and outstanding resistance to oils, cooling, and shop fluids, guaranteed not to leak. Permatech's Medium Strength Thread Locker Blue is an all-purpose medium strength thread locker. It's ideal for all nut and bolt applications 1/4 to 3/4 inch. It eliminates the need for stocking expensive lock nuts and lock washers. It locks and seals while preventing parts from loosening due to vibration and protects thread from corrosion. Permatech's High Strength Thread Locker Red is a high-strength thread locker for heavy-duty applications, 3/8 to 1 inch. It's especially well suited for permanently locking studs and press fits. Permatech's high temperature sleeve retainer withstands high temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This anaerobic adhesive secures slip and press fit assemblies, adds up to 3,000 psi holding power, restores fit to worn or out of tolerance assemblies, and prevents surface corrosion. Permatech's anaerobic gasket maker is a non-corrosive gasketing material designed primarily for use on aluminum, iron, and steel flanged mating surfaces. It is ideal for on-the-spot and emergency repairs or when a conventional gasket is unavailable. It fills gaps up to 15 thousandths of an inch and cures to a solvent-resistant seal that will not tear or decay during service. Permatech's Ultra Silicones were developed to meet today's technology changes. They are sensor-safe, low-odor, non-corrosive with outstanding oil resistance and joint movement tolerance. Ultra Gray is 8 times more flexible than cork composite gaskets and 3 times more oil-resistant than conventional silicones. Ultra Black ensures extended drivetrain warranty compliance. For both, the temperature range is -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit intermittent and resists auto and shop fluids and vibration. In addition to our inventory of internal engine parts, Enginetech carries the extras that can make a big difference. Be sure to check out our shop supplies and ask your sales expert to add them to your next order.